So I live in an apartment and I have very few windows. And how do I hang up my plants if I don't want to drill into the walls, or I can't because my walls are like plaster, so it would be practically impossible. So here is my solution. I have a very small window here in my shower, and I use some command hooks, the ones that you want to make sure you get the ones that are waterproof and can hold at least 3 pounds or more depending on the size of your plant. And I just put the command hook up there, let it set, and then hung my beautiful hanging plants from it. This is a string of bananas succulent, and then that is your beautiful pothos. So, and I also have some pothos cuttings in a little jar there. And this is a great way to bring some green into your bathroom if you've got a bathroom light, and it's just perfect because for me, my bathroom shower actually has this window built in, so I love being able to wash my hair and look at these. And also my access to water is literally just pick up the plant, turn around, and use my shower water when it needs a little drink.